Hello everyone, this is a senior plumber. Today we would like to talk about grease traps and know what grease traps are and how it works. A grease trap is a plumbing device that is designed to capture and remove grease, oils, and fats from wastewater before it enters the municipal sewer system. Grease traps are commonly used in commercial kitchens and restaurants, where large quantities of grease and oil are generated during cooking and food preparation. The purpose of a grease trap is to prevent the buildup of grease in the sewer system, which can cause blockages, backups, and costly repairs. When wastewater containing grease and oil enters the grease trap, it slows down, allowing the grease and oil to rise to the top and be captured in a container, while the wastewater flows out of the trap and into the sewer system. There are several different types of grease traps available, including gravity grease traps, automatic grease traps, and passive grease traps. Gravity grease traps are the most common type of grease trap and work by using gravity to separate the grease and oil from the wastewater. The wastewater flows into the trap and slows down, allowing the heavier grease and oil to rise to the top and be captured in a container. The wastewater then flows out of the trap and into the sewer system. Automatic grease traps use sensors and other technology to detect and remove grease and oil from the wastewater. They typically have a storage tank for the grease and oil, which can be periodically emptied by a professional plumber or grease trap service provider. Passive grease traps are a newer type of grease trap that uses a filtration system to separate the grease and oil from the wastewater. They are typically smaller than gravity grease traps and require less maintenance than automatic grease traps. Regardless of the type of grease trap, it is important to properly maintain and clean the grease trap on a regular basis to ensure it is functioning properly and efficiently. Grease traps should be cleaned and emptied when they reach 25% full, and this maintenance should be performed by a professional plumber or grease trap service provider. If a grease trap is not properly maintained, it can lead to blockages and backups in the sewer system, which can be costly to repair and can also result in fines and penalties from regulatory agencies. In conclusion, grease traps are an essential component of any commercial kitchen or food service establishment that generates large quantities of grease, oil, and fats during food preparation. By properly capturing and removing these materials, grease traps help prevent blockages and backups in the sewer system and promote environmental sustainability.